really dumb.
Glad you got here on time.
You veered into the road.
What are y'all doing?
At the stop sign, turn right onto Southwest Kinnaman Road.
Coming to a stop. The window, do it now! Both your hands! Both your hands! Just pass on the shoulder. Pass on the shoulder. Hey, slam on. TVI. Multiple rollovers, start at 1016. I just moved here.
On your Galaxy S26 series.
What if, just for the sake of the argument, I wanted to add Jeffrey Epstein to that?
You sure could.
Do you think the audience would have applauded? I mean, you can again, watch the demo. They present it as
Go. Sure. Message to Wesley.
Tag number?
I will in just a second. He's in a black Honda. Yeah, he's definitely leaving right now.
Okay, what's the tag number? Do not chase him. Do not follow him.
It's a temporary tag.
Go ahead with it.
I can't see it. He just took off.
Jesus
gotta save that fucking video.
The f are you doing?
In store and online.
The f are you doing, man?
Marks.com to shop and save.
Why do I love getting my holiday gift at Shoppers Drug Mart? The PC Optimum Point.
Everything is going up in price these days, but apartment 3 is going down. That's right, apartment 3 is now just $129.
Whoa, whoa. Give it to me. Give it to me. I'll bring it up for him. Thank you. There you go, my friend.